testing my Brabantia table blender. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Anesi T, and if you are returning love, thank you so much. So today I am going to be reviewing and testing my Brabantia table blender. So let's get right into the video. Now this is our Brabantia table blender. Here it is. Let me turn it around so you see it. Here is it. There it is. Then we have the 1.5 liter glass jug, and this is it here. This is the glass jug. Then we have the stainless steel power base. This is it. This is the power base for our blender. Then we have 4 stainless steel blade unit. These are the blades. As you can see, there are 4 inside. These are the blades. This right here are the blades. Stainless steel 4 blade unit. Then we have the storage, the safety lock, a storage and a storage cord. Then we have the 5-speed pulse functions for the blender, and these are the 5 speeds. As you can see them, there is the 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and then we have a pause right there. Then we have a lid filter. This is it. Then a lid opening feed. This is where you put in your ingredients that you are blending. Then I'll show you how you put in your ingredients. We'll be testing it as we'll be making a banana smoothie. So I'm just gonna be showing you how to put it. They say it has this thing, this safety lock. This one here, there's this one here, and the other one is here. You just put in like that. Normally it's hard for me. I struggle a bit, but you just put like that, and then voila, it's in. Then you're good to go. So it has the measurements here. We have 250, 500, 750, 1000, 1.250, and 1.5 milliliters of cups. So when you started, you just turn on this round. It's the one that you use it when you want to so in our blender we have this round knob. It's the one that you use it to adjust the speed of you using the blender. This is a 0. This is where you started. You just simply twist. It's 1, and then it will run. You just adjust according to your speed. This blender, like I said, it has 5 speed settings with pulse functions. So this is where you start your blender. You use this round knob, and there's 1, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to blend your ingredients that will be inside, or smoothies or purees, you just blend. It depends on how you want your smoothie to be. It's either you want it coarse or you want it smooth. If you want it smooth, you'd be using a 5-speed one, and if you want to blend slowly, just taking your time, or if you want it rough. But normally I like my smoothies so smooth. I normally would use a 5-speed pulse. Yeah. And then this blender, the good thing about it, it has, let me show you what it has. It has this, you see this rubber band kind of thing that I used to just grip so well in your flat surface, because it won't move, it will just stand still. So we are going to be making a smoothie, so I'm just going to be showing you how the smoothie works. I'm going to first of all open my jug blender. Then I'm going to add in my milk. Then I'm going to add, I am now going to open my banana. And I'm going to slice it and leave one for garnishing. I'm going to leave this one for garnishing, and I'm just going to cut the rest of the whole banana. Then I'm going to add my banana into the blender like that. This one right here, I'm going to be leaving it for garnishing. And then I'm going to need 1 teaspoon of honey. Just 1 teaspoon of honey to make my banana smoothie so sweet. Then let me put you guys well so that you can see what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna be using this Nutri-Day. It's a low-fat banana flavored smoothie. I'm gonna be using this 2 of them because I want my smoothie so thick. This is how it looks like. You can use your favorite yogurt. So since I'm making a banana smoothie, I decided to use a banana yogurt. And then I'm gonna use the other one. Then I'm gonna add it. I want my smoothie so thick because I haven't had lunch. Then I'm gonna place the lid, and now I am going to start blending my banana. So let's go together. Let's come and blend and see how it will come out. I normally use this blender, it's so good. Definitely do recommend. So come guys. So now I'm just going to plug in my blender. I'm going to plug it over here, just like that. Then I'm going to switch on my blender. I don't know why I'm gonna put you guys, but I think I'm gonna use my one hand. Let me see. Then this is where I'm going to switch on my, you see, I'm going to turn on this knob right here. I'm going to go to 1. I'm going to switch on like that. Then, and that's a stop. I'm just going to leave it at 0. Then I'm going to test in my smoothie. So now let's go and test it out. My banana smoothie. Let's go and see how thick it is. I like the thickness of it. It looks so good. Ready, I am going to serve. So you have 2 options when you serve. You then remove it out like that. You just twist and then you lift it up. Then it's either you open the lid and then you pour into the jar, or you can use this here, lift like that. Then you can serve it using this here, you know, with the lid, or you can remove the lid. Then I'm gonna serve. I prefer taking out the lid, I don't know why. Then I'm going to serve in my banana. There is my banana smoothie. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie. Now, tasting time. Let's taste how it tastes like. Ooh. It's so delicious. I can't believe it's my first time doing a banana smoothie. It's so rich, creamy. It's so delicious and yummy. I love it. I love it, guys. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel down below. So guys, let me finish my smoothie. Let me enjoy my smoothie. Thank you guys, and bye bye. I love you. Cheers. Till next time.